Hello, everyone. Playing with numbers and exploring more about them is fun. Today, in our math lesson, we will count and order numbers to 5. Now, look at this page. We have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 written below on this page. Now we can also see there is one cube here. Let us put one cube to show number 1. Let us put two cubes to show number 2. 3 cubes to show number 3. 4 cubes to show number 4. And 5 cubes to show number 5. Now can you see when I put these cubes together, they are all standing. That means they are cube towers. And when the number is higher, the cube tower is taller. The number 1 cube, can you see? It's tiny tower. The 2 is taller. The 3 is even taller than 2. And 5 is the tallest. So, the higher the number, the taller the tower. Remember to always start seeing your towers, how tall they are from the same level, like I've shown you in this arrow. Now let us begin with exercise number 1. What do we see here? Cube already here. We can trace over this cube and draw it to show number 1. When we do that, we trace number 1. Now tell me, what comes after number 1? Yes, you're right. It's number 2. Now for number 2, I begin drawing how many cubes? I will draw 2 cubes. And when I'm drawing these cubes, remember, they are not standing this time. They are sleeping. When the cubes are sleeping, we call these cube trains. They're not cube towers anymore. They are cube trains. Now, after 1, 2, the number that comes is 3. Like that, here you will draw 3 cubes to show cube trains and they're joined together. Don't draw them apart. They are joined together. Also, they will all begin with the same line. Don't draw them too far apart from this level. All right? And keep on writing till number 5. You will write number 4 here, draw 4 cubes. Number 5 here, draw 5 cubes as a cube train. All right? And let's then move on to exercise number 2. This is exercise number 2. It is very easy. You would love doing it. What do we have to see here? We see one book. We write number 1 here. How many scissors are here? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write number 4. How many books do I see? 1, 2. I write number 2. How many erasers do I see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I write the number 5 here. How many boxes do I see? 1, 2, 3. So I write the number 3. Now what you have to do is you can see these numbers 1, 4, 2, 5, 3. But that's not the counting order. Is that how we count? No. How do we begin our counting? We start counting by 1. Then what comes after 1? 2. Then we write 2. Then what comes after 2? 3. Then what comes after 3? 4. And in the end, we write here number 5. Now remember, this is the counting order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the counting order. Remember this all the time so that we can learn more and more about bigger numbers as well. Now moving on to exercise number 3. We have some blocks here. There is number 1 block, 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we know that Paul has a set of blocks that is 1 larger than 3 blocks. So, where are 3 blocks? Here are 3 blocks. Now, Paul has 1 larger, 1 more, 1 bigger. Which one is that set of blocks? 1 bigger is number 4. So, circle this cube blocks tower. Okay. Now, moving on to the next one, we have exercise number 4. Now you can draw anything from 1 to 5 and show your counting order. You can show a cube tower, 1 cube, and then 2 cubes, and then 3 cubes together to show counting order. Or you do whatever you would like to show us, and we understand what our counting order looks like. All right? And that should be fun. If you have any questions, please ask your teachers. We are very, very happy to help you. Thank you.